Hi everyone, this is Miss Joelle for a Tech Tip Thursday. Today I'm going to be talking about bullet points. So you can use this in any Google Doc where you use bullet points. The skip line option that you saw in the Canva graphic actually works on Microsoft Word also. So I'm going to start by being in my document. I'm going to click the regular bullet point list so that my bullet point appears. If you want to change any like simple styles, you can select one of these options. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to highlight my bullet point. I am then going to change the color if I want to, so I can have different colored bullet points available. And that way, if I'm typing, I can continue to have my bullet points. If I want to skip a line, I will hold down Shift, press skip, and now I can have line without a bullet point, and then just press a regular enter whenever I want lines too. So you can skip as many lines as you want and add your bullet points there. So what I'm gonna do next is, if you don't want colored bullet points, but you want some cool designs, what you can do is highlight the bullet point, right click, and it gives you a few like basic options, but more bullets is where the coolest stuff is at. This is where I have it set on emojis. You can create bullet emojis. So if you wanted like, I don't know, a peace sign or whatever, you could have your peace sign emoji, and you just as you click and enter down, it will continue to use that bullet point that you selected. If you don't want a bullet point, but you want some sort of symbol, you can come over to the just regular symbol page where you have a bunch of different arrows. But there are also all of these options that you can use. So you can kind of play around with it and see what you would like. You can also do numbers if that's easier and you want your bullet points numbered. And again, the color actually stays unless you don't want it to stay. So anywho, that is that. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Have a great week.